Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, today we're going to be constructing a hand sewn wig. Don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a like, and let's get right into the video, okay? So today you're going to need needle, thread, your cap, clips, a white marker, and measuring tape. Okay, y'all, so you want to make sure that you have the right size wig head. So whether it's for you or your client, make sure you have the right head. So today I'm using the 23. And then you're going to take your cap and place it on top of your wig head. And you want to make sure that you pin down the cap to the correct measurements of your head or your client's head. So next you're going to take your frontal and you're going to place it onto your cap. You want to make sure that you pin it down so that it's nice and flat and not bulky. And you're just going to see me right here doing that. Y'all see how flat that frontal is? That's how you want it to look, okay? Okay, so here you're going to be taking your white marker and your measuring tape. So you're going to use the measuring tape as a guideline for where to draw your lines. So on the measuring tape, you're going to use the inches side, and for every inch, you're just going to draw a white line across so that you'll know where to place your tracks. Okay, now it's time to start sewing, so we're going to sew down this frontal first. Okay, so when I sew under and not over. So you go through the cap and then through the frontal. And then once you get through the frontal and the cap, you will have this hole, and then you pull the needle and thread through the hole. And then you pull it so that it's secure. And you keep doing that until you get to the end. And when you get to the end, you're going to tie a knot 3 times so that it is secure. And then your frontal is down. So when you're done, your frontal should be nice and flat and everything should look very well put together. And then now we're going to move on to sewing down your bundles. So when sewing down my bundles, I doubled the wefts. So I take the 2 wefts, and for my first 3 stitches, I go through the weft and then through the cap. Now, after you do those first 3 stitches, then after that, you can just go under through the cap and then pull it through the circle, and then there you have your stitch, and you keep doing that until you get to the end. Now when you get to about close to the end, I do my last 3 stitches again like I did in the beginning, through the weft, then through the cap, pull it through, and there's the end of your stitch. And then after that, I'll cut off the end of the weft after I've sewn it down, and then I'll keep going until I reach the top of the cap. And here I've slowed the video down so you can see what I'm doing. So once you get closer to the frontal, you're no longer sewing in a U or C shape. You're going to be sewing the track straight across. And when you're sewing that last track, just make sure you're not too close to the frontal, because you want to be able to replace your closure and or frontal if need be. And now you know how to make a hand sewn wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for my next video.